15 elegant French door inspirations to elevate your bedroom style. 1. Floor-to-ceiling glass for maximum light. Imagine waking up to sunshine pouring through glass walls that make your ceiling feel miles high. 2. Space-saving pocket French doors. These clever space savers disappear completely, letting you finally put that dresser exactly where you want it. 3. Black frame French doors for a modern edge. Nothing beats the drama of bold black frames that make your garden view pop like a magazine cover. 4. Mirrored French doors to double the space. These magical mirrors make tiny bedrooms feel twice as big while bouncing daylight into every corner. 5. Rustic wood French doors for farmhouse charm. Intricate wood patterns create bold visual statements, elevating doors into stunning focal points. 6. French doors leading to a private balcony. Picture yourself stepping straight from bed to your own little outdoor heaven for morning coffee. 7. Custom-designed French doors for unique spaces. Weird wall space? No problem. These tailor-made treasures turn awkward spots into wow-worthy features. 8. Sheer curtains for soft light and privacy. Add billowy fabric that dances in the breeze and turns harsh sunlight into a dreamy glow. 9. French doors as a room divider. Who needs walls when glass doors can create separate spaces while keeping that open, airy feel? 10. Frosted glass for enhanced privacy. Get all the light without the nosy neighbors. These cloudy beauties keep your privacy intact. 11. Arched French doors for architectural interest. Those gorgeous curves instantly elevate your bedroom from basic box to architectural gem. 12. French doors with built-in blinds. Forget dusty curtains. Just twist a knob and control your light without the cleaning hassle. 13. Statement hardware that elevates the look. Don't cheap out on those handles. They're the jewelry that makes your doors truly shine. 14. French doors with integrated smart technology. Control everything from your phone, from privacy settings to that perfect morning wake-up sunshine. 15. French doors with transom windows. Those extra windows up top stretch your ceiling height while flooding your room with bonus daylight. Your perfect French doors are just waiting to become the feature that makes you smile every single morning.